Royal Secretary Vivek Rae refutes policy paralysis and reaffirms Cabinet's commitment to market-based pricing and the resolution of KG-D6 basin spat with Reliance. Let's listen in.
So since there's been a dispute about whether there is a deliberate hoarding of gas or whether the gas needs to be, is being held back, and the matter is also in arbitration. So the question was that how do we pay for that gas which is coming out of the D1, D3 fields? So that is an issue on which we want to take a decision. How do we treat that gas? Do we allow the new prices for that gas, or do we stick to the old price of $4.2? So that matter is before the cabinet. We'll take a decision and we announce very shortly. There was no possibility of revision in the formula. The only thing is whether to include or exclude spot transactions and whether to have a cap or not.
So you'll be moving a cabinet order?
It's already been moved.
So how soon?
So what will be the cap, sir?
In front of cabinet?
Maybe in a week or 10 days. We are looking at the Kirit Parikh report and we will process it now. And maybe in December we will place some of the recommendations before the cabinet. See, as of now, this year we have planned 11 million tons of import from Iran. We'll stick to that because it's also not easy to, at short notice to keep changing your contract. Sanctions will be worked out over the next 6 months. So we have to see how the policy regime changes, and we will calibrate our decision for next year based on that.
But do you think
sanctions
there is a
lifted,
possibility to increase import?
You see, we were importing 21 million tons of oil from Iran. Right. So today we are doing 11 million tons. So if the sanctions get lifted and the issues get resolved, we can go back to 21 million. Indian delegation is likely to go to Iran very shortly. The payment mechanisms are based on an MOU between the finance ministry and the government of Iran. And if implications of the new regime on that payment mechanism have to be worked out by the finance ministry, which will be done.